So for today's Tip Tuesday, I'm going to be making one of Yaya's DIY creations and trying it out on my natural hair. Today I'll be making her Amla hair growth paste, and I'll be doubling her recipe to make sure I have enough for the length of my hair. So we're going to begin with the water phase. I'm going to add 190.44 grams of distilled water. Next up is the Amla Powder. This is going to be the star ingredient here. We're going to be adding 10.5 grams of Amla Powder. Then we're going to go into our Guar Cat, which is a cationic form of guar gum. We're going to add 0.86 grams. Finally, we're going to go in with our glycerin, and I'm going to add 8.5 grams of vegetable glycerin. Now you're going to go in with your immersion blender to make sure everything gets fully hydrated. So blend, 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 and also check the pH of this, as Guar Cat is pH dependent. Alright, so let's move on to our oil phase. We're going to go in with 19.84 grams of BTMS 50. Next, we're going to add 8.5 grams of Cetyl Alcohol, which is a nice thickener. And then we're going to go in with 39.68 grams of hemp oil. Now, y'all, I ran out of my hemp oil, so I used a bit of pumpkin seed oil mixed in with the hemp oil. Now, you're going to set these two phases in a double boiler on the stove and let them heat up. Alright, now let's go ahead and combine the phases. And y'all, add your oil to your water phase and then blend, blend, blend. And look at this beautiful creamy texture. Okay, so for the cool down phase, you're adding 2.84 grams of vitamin E oil. And she says 15 drops of your fragrance oil. Now I'm opting for sweet orange and rosemary oil, and I'm actually going to add about 2 grams. Now she does have the option to add a preservative, but y'all, I thought I was going to be using all of this on my hair, but later on after I bottle this and use this up, that I will have some left over and I will preserve that. Okay y'all, so in comparison with Yaya, I think I did a pretty good job. What do you think? Hey everyone, so this is my hair from last week from using my hibiscus and shea base styler. And y'all, my hair is still soft and moisturized, but y'all, I am so excited today to try Yaya's DIY's creation, this Amla Paste. So let me go ahead and wet my hair down and apply it as a pre-poo, so let's get started. Okay y'all, so I just rinsed my hair off, and y'all, I'm really excited because honestly this is the first time I ever made a product without using any butters, and it surprisingly has a thick and sticky texture, and that is due to the Amla powder and also the Guar Cat. And y'all, my first immediate thoughts while putting this on my hair is I'm shocked at how soft and how well it penetrates into my hair shaft. Y'all, it's the light ingredients that easily absorb in. It has a great amount of slip, and y'all, I can easily finger detangle my hair with it. Now y'all, one of the reasons why I chose to do this Amla hair paste is because it kind of gives you that conditioning effect as well as all the benefits of using Amla. We know that Amla is actually rich in vitamin C and iron. So vitamin C is a key antioxidant necessary for hair growth. It is known to enrich blood vessels and help the body absorb key nutrients such as iron and collagen. Also y'all, one of the reasons she titled this video is Amla for hair growth, because in 2 studies done on rodents, it found that Amla, just like saw palmetto, may act as a 5-alpha reductase inhibitor, which means it helps to treat male pattern baldness. And in one human-based study, it found that Amla powder may help stimulate hair growth and length retention of people who experience alopecia. And y'all, one thing for me, as I love Amla powder and have used it in many recipes and have my own videos about it, I know it also gives wicked curl definition. So definitely check out my results once I rinse it off. I mean, can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? Y'all. It's the curl definition, softness, bounce for me. Okay, Yaya, come through, sis. Come through. Oh my goodness. Yes. Y'all, if y'all didn't try this, try it now. Go on and try it now. Just do it. Okay, so after you can go ahead and shampoo and deep condition your hair. And y'all know I'll be using my hibiscus and shea base styler for the week. I'm actually going to put my hair into a top knot bun and just moisturize my hair and my strands. Y'all, next time I really want to try this Amla Paste as a final deep conditioner and see how my hair responds with it. But right now my hair is feeling absolutely amazing. Alright you guys, I'm going to just tie my hair up for the night into a top knot bun, and then in the morning, voila y'all, I did this cute crown bun. Y'all, I'm on my way to get ready for work, but if you guys want to see the tutorial for this, click the video up on top right here. If you guys enjoy seeing me do other people's DIYs, let me know in the comment section, and if there's a DIY you want me to replicate, let me know as well. That's it for this week. I'll see you next time. Bye.